Ladies and gentlemen, in my video I will give you instructions to remove malicious pop-ups that come from the site luxprizeclub.com. Luxprizeclub.com is the pop-up that attempts to trick you into subscribing to its multiple notifications. If you click on this allow button integrated into the pop-up, your browser may be infected. You may start receiving the great multitude of pop-up windows in the right part of the screen. Also, the pop-ups by luxprizeclub.com may deceive you and trick you into subscribing to some plans, some membership to watch certain content. But the real purpose of all these pop-ups is to actually make you share some of your personal details, and this information may be later on used illegally by third parties. So don't click on the allow button, don't share any of your personal data through these alerts. If the allow button was clicked, there is a way to fix your browser. Go to the menu, settings, then choose security and privacy, site settings, go to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications, and if you find this Lux Prize Club, you must remove it from the list and remove other malicious websites from this list. This should fix your browser manually. But my strong recommendation is that you also research your computer additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.